Hi everyone, today I want to show you how to put a timing belt on a VW Golf or any engine TDI with such a kind of tensioner, which is a CR, PD, whatever. It has such a style of timing belt tensioner. Everybody struggle to put the timing belt on. So there is a trick. So on your belt, on your tensioner, you have that small hole which is for these two, right? Which in the past, old bearings they were supplied also with this, and that's important because you fit this in that hole. Now I'll come back in you in a minute and I'll show you how to put the belt without struggle. So it's all back together. Timing mark there for the fuel pump. So timing mark there with the tool inside of the camshaft sprocket. Important, you need to select those sprocket, both of them, and set them fully clockwise before you put the belt. Bottom, you got a tool which goes on the camshaft and on the crankshaft. It's there. Alright, I'm going to set them on the camera and I'll show you how to fit that belt without problem. Right, so where you put this pin in, you fully tension the tensioner at the maximum and you tighten the nut on the tensioner. Alright. Like that, you lock the tensioner in a position that you are able to put your belt on without problem. As a small trick, I put a spanner just under the sprocket just to hold the timing belt into on the teeth, so it won't come off itself. Right, so now put the belt on, make sure that's in a clockwise rotation, because that's a rotational for the belt. See, many times the belt upside down. So again, the sprocket fully tensioned on the bottom, clockwise, sorry, the sprocket gear fully forward clockwise. So what happens when you're going to pull the tensioner, it will go back. Again, that way. That's it. So belt on without struggle.